In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table of contents in Notion. To start, open Notion and head over to the database or workspace where you want to create your table of contents. This can be any database view or page where you usually keep your notes or projects. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new page. You'll typically see a New button at the top or side of your database. Click on that to create a brand new page. When the new page opens, choose to open it as a full page so you can work with a clean, spacious layout. If Notion gives you the option to pick a template or start from an empty page, just press Enter to continue with an empty page. This will give you a blank canvas, which is ideal for building a clear table of contents. Now click into the body of the page and start typing to bring up the block options. Begin by typing a slash, then the word table, and select Table of Contents from the menu that appears. Notion will insert a table of contents block onto your page. At this point, if your page doesn't have any headings yet, you'll see a prompt telling you to add headings to create a table of contents. That's normal, because the table of contents block only works with headings. Next, let's set up those headings. Click near the top of the page where it says Untitled and give your page a clear name so you can recognize it later. You can also click Add Icon if you want to visually distinguish this page in your sidebar. Now, in the main content area, type the title of your first section, then turn it into a heading. Highlight the text and choose Heading 1 from the formatting options. Do the same for your next main section. Type the text, highlight it, and again select Heading 1. You can repeat this for as many major sections as you need. If you want subsections, you can use Heading 2 or Heading 3 under each main heading. As you add these headings, you'll see the table of contents block automatically update. Each heading becomes a clickable link that jumps you straight to that part of the page. Once you're done, you'll have a clean, automatic table of contents that keeps long Notion pages easy to navigate.